Happy Founders Day. This Founders Day would have not been possible without my dear friend Dharani. In this entire journey, we've gone through a lot of highs and a lot of lows, but the lows are very valuable. The amount of time that we've giggled and laughed and knew that tomorrow will be another day, and just to have somebody with who believes, and both of us, our attitude to never give up has made this possible. So big hug to you and wishing you happy Founders Day. We will meet and celebrate. To all the team members, employees, the past members who've been a part of this FSM journey, a big thank you to them as well, because each one has truly helped us build this organization brick by brick. They've really left something behind, and I'm confident they've taken a lot also with them. They're in different parts of the world, and today is a day to remember them and thank them. To all our current beautiful team members, you all are family of FSM. I want to tell you all that each one of you, whichever department you are helping build something which will be a legacy for future. Music education, organized music education never existed in our country. There was never a format like that. As FSM, we are the flag bearers of that, and we have to ensure that we are always right up there. It's all of us together who will ensure that our vision of universal access to music education is possible. We continue delivering on our vision, and it's all of you collectively who bring smiles to thousands and lakhs of families. And a big cheers to all of us for our future. One thing if FSM stands for is to be a organization which is extremely agile. We are able to adapt, we are able to change and do things in the need of the hour. My request to each one of you who wants to build this dream and who wants to make something really big, own this, ensure that all of us are committed to reach as many more people, to spread the joy of music education. And whoever is learning with us, let's promise ourselves we will give them the best learning experience. We will stand for quality, we will stand for music education. So big thank you guys. Missing being there with all our team members. A shout out to all our leaders, who make this possible. You all are the ones who execute on ground with your wonderful team members. Big thank you. Truly, I know that a lot goes in making a dream possible. So thank you and have a lovely day. God bless you.